The 10 benefits of dates. Here we go, guys. Dates are basically a tropical fruit which grown on date palm tree. It's scientifically known as Phoenix dactyliferia and is one of the most healthy food around the world. Number 1. Dates are highly nutritious. The fruits are packed with a lot of essential vitamins and other nutrients. Dates also rich in fiber and carbs. Number 2. Dates helps bowel movement. The fiber content in dates are extremely high. Number 3. High concentration of antioxidants. Dates are known for its high concentration of antioxidants compared to other dry fruits. Number 4. Improves brain functionality. The regular use of dates has been found helping and reducing the risk of developing brain degenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's. Five, facilitates natural labor. Pregnant women who eat dates regularly have a higher chance of delivering by natural labor. Number 6. Reduce risk of cancer. The high concentration of antioxidants in dates also helps in reducing the activities of free radicals and thereby reduce the chances of cancer from happening. Wow. Number 7. Help fights diabetes. Dates have the ability to increase the production of insulin and also has several properties that can help reduce the rate of absorption of glucose from intestine. Number 8. Can protect your kidney. Dates have various properties that can help your kidney stay healthy in difficult circumstances. Ang ganda pala ng dates. Number 9. Promote bone health. Dates are highly rich in micronutrients such as selenium, manganese, magnesium, and copper. And number 10, improves your skin. Dates are very good alternative to these harmful chemicals that can do more harm to your skin. The high concentration of vitamin C and vitamin D in dates ensures that your skin gets well nourished. O diba? Let's eat dates, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless everybody.